Trust me, once you try this masterpiece, you won't even miss the regular crust pizza.
Hello everyone, welcome to Tiashat, California. Are you tired of feeling bloated after indulging into your favorite pizza? What if I told you there is a way to enjoy the crispy, delicious and cheesy pizza without any guilt? No oil, no carbs, no gluten, just pure nutritious goodness, and that tastes just like original or regular pizza. Not only that, stick around, I am going to share the best and healthiest pizza sauce recipe too. Let's start by making the star of the show, our high protein, no carb pizza crust using the minced chicken. I know it seems unbelievable, but wait for the end result. This is about 1 pound of minced chicken. I washed it thoroughly. Now add your favorite seasoning, friends, and feel free to play with it. Make it super fun and playful. I'm adding onion powder, garlic powder, and then add dried oregano. Pizza flavor is coming, friend. This is totally optional. I love spicy food, so I am adding little bit of red chili flakes here. Now super important, salt to taste. Let's give it a good mix. I am going to make this pizza crust in my air fryer, but you can also make it in oven or pan fry it. But you know, air fryer makes lives easier, isn't it? Alright, it's well mixed. I'm telling you, it's so easy to make. Just within couple of minutes, you can make this pizza. Now I'm going to spread it on the tray. Well, I'm going to use this liner to spread the chicken mince on it, but wait, first let me put my gloves on. I got these liners from Amazon. If you want, you can check it out. Okay, now let's spread it. From 1 pound chicken mince, or it was little bit more than 1 pound, you can make about 2 small sized pizza. Or more accurately, it's the size of personal pizza that you buy from the restaurant. We need to make a thin crust. That's why I'm spreading it uniformly and trying to give it a round shape. I'm showing you in detail so that you can understand the process. Now shaping the edges little bit so that we can get that golden crispy end. It might look little difficult, but trust me friend, once you'll start making it, it's super easy. And the entire process, like making pizza from the crust to the tasting part, it will not take more than 20 minutes. You can make this pizza at home within 15 minutes, I guarantee. Alright, it's almost a round shape, ready to go inside preheated air fryer. Make sure the crust is even for that perfect bite. While the crust is cooking, let me show you my homemade pizza sauce. It's very easy to make and very delicious. I already shared the recipe in my veg pizza video. And it does not have any preservatives or chemicals. It has all the clean and organic ingredients. If you missed it, I will add the link at the end of the video. Make sure to check it out.
Oh my goodness. Let's look at this beauty. Oops. Perfectly crispy around the edges. Firm, golden, and ready to turn into a pizza. Now customize it however you like. Possibilities are endless.
I am spreading a generous layer of that homemade sauce over the crust. The homemade sauce makes so much difference, friends. We need to decide whether we want to put chemicals inside our body or nourish it with homemade beauties. Well, addition of spices are completely optional here. You can skip this extra step, but I'm telling you, this makes the pizza taste like store-bought one, just like the regular one. I added dried basil leaves and dried oregano. Now add your favorite toppings. If you like pepperoni, add pepperoni here. If you like to add more chicken, feel free to add that. I like crispy veggies on top, so I am adding crispy vegetables. Now add generous amount of cheese on the top. You can select your favorite one. Here I am using mozzarella cheese. I have an honest confession, friends. I wanted to make a smiley face with the sauce, but it didn't work. Never mind, it will enhance the taste. Adding more cheese to cover that smile. And then my favorite, red chili flakes.
Look at this beauty, guys. I'm telling you, it's going to turn into a masterpiece. Going back to the air fryer, again at 400 degree Fahrenheit for 3 to 4 minutes. Perfect timing. Look at this. Look at this, friends. Look. Is there any difference between the regular one and this pizza? Apart from this one is healthy, no carbs, no sugar, zero oil, guilt-free pizza. Look at this gorgeous. It's a masterpiece. It's a masterpiece. I'm telling you, you need to try this, my friend, because first time when I saw this recipe, I was very skeptical too. But when I tried this, boom. I am not going back to the normal regular one. If you try this, then only you will understand. Now let's transfer it onto a wooden board and I will cut it in front of you. I wish you could smell this right now. Oh my god. You need to try this recipe, friends. There is no reason that you don't try this. This is high protein, guilt-free pizza. It does not have any grain. You will not feel bloated after eating this, but it is so satisfying because rich in protein. Now let me cut it. Trust me, once you try this masterpiece, you won't even miss the regular crust pizza. There are other healthy options too, like cauliflower crust pizza. But this tastes better than anything. Don't believe my words. You need to try this at home. Then let me know. The moment of truth. Taste, taste. Crispy, cheesy, crunchy veggies, loaded with chicken. And trust me, you won't believe the crust is made of from chicken. It tastes just like regular pizza, but without bloating or guilt. This is called perfection. If you like today's recipe, give me a thumbs up, share this recipe with your pizza loving friends, and subscribe to my channel for more healthy and delicious recipes. By then, happy cooking and happy eating. See you in the next video.
Please click on the link that is popping up on your screen for my other pizza recipe.